Check out this Blender add-on called Physics Dropper. It's a really cool tool that lets you drop anything with just one click. Here, you can see the box. Let's drop some balls into it. Move the ball above the box and let's apply some material to it. I'll only adjust the color. Copy and paste the ball, then change the colors. Select all the balls together, then navigate to the Physics Dropper and click Drop. Additionally, navigate to the Scene Properties, then select Rigid Body World and proceed to the Cache tab. Finally, bake all dynamics.